Another developing health-related story, we have been getting news that several hospitals, public hospitals, have been running out of bed space.
Now, Shamela Pullen has our story.
The COVID-19 pandemic may be over, but some of the issues at public hospitals remain the same. Several of them are under pressure as the lack of bed space is a major challenge.
There are some concerns about the hospital's bed space in Mandeville in particular, Mapen and Black River less so. And I've asked to see if it is as if the longer term impact of COVID has been having an effect.
Illnesses like stroke and heart diseases.
We're seeing an increased number of patients in our accident and emergency, particularly in what we call our ESI 3, ESI 1 and 2, very ill patients in general. And so that's still a challenge for the university, but it's something that we are planning, or we were planning for, and we have executed our plans. And I think we'll just have to continue over the next few months to see where the trends go and continue to work with the ministry to ensure that we help these patients. As you know, we embarked on our post-COVID strategy.
If you go to our hospitals, you're going to see the motorcycle cases, the head injuries, the back injuries, the broken limbs. And unfortunately, when they come into our accident and emergency department, it slows up the rate at which we care for all the other patients. So I said, take time on the road.
Medical Chief of Staff at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Dr. Carl Bruce, says some of these admissions can be avoided if persons at risk of NCDs take better care of themselves by doing regular checkups and sticking to the prescribed medications. Meanwhile, according to the latest data from the Ministry of Health, currently there aren't any COVID-19 hospitalizations at public health facilities. The country's positivity rate is at 9.9%. In January, over 800 persons had the virus. In February, a little over 500. And for the month of March, the figure was drastically reduced to just over 180 persons.
For us, COVID is still here. We still need to be concerned, but we also have to continue to lead normal lives, and that's the general approach that we're taking.
Since the pandemic, 154,602 persons have contracted the COVID-19 virus in Jamaica, while there have been 3,529 deaths. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.